Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic muscle cars ever built, the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. And this time, it's dressed in a sinister, glossy black that looks like it came straight out of a midnight drag race. If you thought the muscle car era was ending, think again. Dodge just proved the Hellcat is still the king of American power. So buckle up, because in this long review, we're going to explore everything, from its menacing exterior to its luxurious yet aggressive interior, mind-blowing performance, and the price that seals the deal. Let's fire it up. Exterior. First impressions. Pure intimidation. The 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat in black looks absolutely menacing. The color accentuates every muscular line and curve of this beast. Dodge has kept the car's old-school attitude alive but added futuristic elements that make it stand out in the modern world. The widebody stance is even more pronounced this year, with flared fenders that scream dominance on the road. At the front, you get that classic split-grille design, flanked by aggressive LED headlights that look like a predator's eyes in the dark. The functional hood scoop and dual air intakes aren't just for show, they feed the massive supercharger underneath. Dodge also refined the aerodynamics with a redesigned front splitter and rear diffuser, giving it better downforce and stability at high speeds. Move to the side, and you can't help but notice the massive 20-inch forged aluminum wheels wrapped in Pirelli performance tires. The red Brembo brake calipers peek through, reminding you this isn't just a show car, it's a track weapon. The sculpted body lines, aggressive stance, and that black-on-black theme make it look stealthy and powerful at the same time. At the rear, the 2026 Hellcat keeps its signature full-width LED taillight design, a nod to its heritage. The dual exhaust tips roar with authority, while the subtle spoiler adds just the right amount of flair. Dodge has balanced heritage and innovation perfectly here. This is a car that honors its roots while pushing forward with modern muscle aesthetics. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that perfectly mixes luxury, technology, and raw aggression. The 2026 Challenger SRT Hellcat's interior is designed to give you the feeling of sitting in a cockpit built for speed. Dodge has refined the layout, added more premium materials, and integrated advanced tech without losing that old-school muscle vibe. The black leather performance seats come with suede inserts and bold red stitching, hugging you tightly when you launch this monster down the road. The SRT logo is embossed into the seats, reminding you of the beast you're controlling. Everything from the flat-bottom steering wheel to the aluminum pedals feels performance-oriented. In front of the driver sits a fully digital 12-inch customizable instrument cluster, showing everything from your speed and RPMs to boost pressure, G-forces, and launch control data. Right in the center, the new 10.1-inch Uconnect 6 infotainment system dominates the dashboard. It's responsive, sharp, and supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even wireless charging. What's really impressive is how Dodge has improved cabin refinement. The noise insulation is better, the ride feels smoother in comfort mode, and the overall build quality has taken a big step up. But don't worry, when you hit that red start button, the Hellcat still growls loud enough to shake your soul. There's also a surprising amount of practicality for a car of this type. The mix of modern digital displays, old-school dials, and red ambient lighting gives it that perfect balance between tech and tradition. Performance. Now, let's talk about the heart of the beast, because this is where the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat truly dominates. Under the hood lies the legendary 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8, now tuned to deliver a mind-blowing 807 horsepower and 707 lb-ft of torque. Yes, you heard that right, 807 horses, making it one of the most powerful production muscle cars in history. Dodge has refined the engine's cooling and supercharger setup for more consistent performance. Paired with the upgraded TorqueFlite 8-speed automatic transmission, gear shifts are faster, smoother, and more responsive. 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in a jaw-dropping 3.4 seconds, and the top speed is an insane 203 miles per hour. This car doesn't just accelerate, it launches like a rocket. And that's not all. The 2026 model gets improved suspension tuning, adaptive damping, and a wider track for better cornering stability. Dodge has managed to tame the brute force of the Hellcat with advanced electronic aids and drive modes. You can switch between auto, sport, track, and custom, changing throttle response, suspension stiffness, steering weight, and transmission mapping with the touch of a button. In track mode, the Hellcat feels like a different animal, aggressive, raw, and laser-focused. The supercharger whine becomes addictive, and the exhaust note sounds like thunder on demand. Even though it's a heavy car, the precision in handling has improved dramatically. The steering is sharper, the brakes are stronger, and the traction control system does a great job keeping all that power under control. For those who crave even more excitement, Dodge has also included line lock and launch control features, allowing you to warm up your tires and achieve perfect launches every single time. It's not just a car, it's a machine built for adrenaline junkies who crave the pure essence of American horsepower. Of course, it's not all about speed. The ride comfort in street mode is surprisingly compliant for a car this powerful. Dodge has worked hard to make sure the Challenger SRT Hellcat isn't just a weekend toy, it can handle daily driving, long highway trips, and even traffic with ease. Price. Now, let's talk money. The 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat starts around $75,000 for the base model, but depending on options and trims, like the Widebody or Red-Eye versions, that can easily climb above $95,000. Add in custom paint, interior upgrades, or performance packages, and you could be looking at just over $100,000 for a fully loaded model. But when you think about it, over 800 horsepower, iconic design, insane performance, and pure muscle heritage, that price suddenly feels justified. You're not just buying a car, you're buying a legend that embodies raw American power in its purest form. The 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat isn't trying to be subtle. It's not chasing efficiency or silent electric motors. It's here to make noise, loud, unapologetic, thunderous noise. In an era of EVs and hybrids, the Hellcat stands as a proud symbol of the old-school muscle spirit, refined for the modern world. So, if you're a fan of speed, style, and sheer power, this car will speak to your soul. The black-on-black design gives it an evil, commanding presence, the interior makes you feel like a fighter pilot, and that supercharged V8 makes sure everyone hears you coming from miles away. And that's our full review of the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. What do you think of this beast? Would you take one over an electric muscle car? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, where power meets passion, and speed meets soul.